Hey folks, this is Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin here. And in this video, I'm going to show you basically how to earn $300 by typing names, okay? Look at your fingers. I'm going to show you right now for free, okay? And then listen, you don't need any skills. You don't need any experience. You can be slow. Maybe you didn't graduate from college. Maybe you just got out of jail. It doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't matter if you're in Africa, Nigeria, India, Pakistan, Thailand, because it's worldwide, okay? So here's the website here. And yeah, basically, they pay you money by typing your ideas. That's it. It's called squadhelp.com. I love these guys. Now, I actually use this for my businesses as well. Now, listen, you might say, well, Wesley, how does it work? So basically, there are companies on the planet that will pay you basically for your ideas, okay? How many of you have an idea, okay? How many of you have an idea right now of a business name, whatever? Well, this company right here, they will pay you up to $300 just to give them the name of a business, okay? Isn't that crazy, right? So if you're one of those very creative people, maybe you don't have a lot of money to invest, they will basically pay you for free for giving your idea, okay? You don't have to invest money. You don't have to find investors. You just give them the idea of the name and you make the money. Let me show you how it works. So if I go to dashboard, this is my account. As you can see here, it's King West, okay? And I go to dashboard. You guys are gonna love me for this. Hold on. Let me put my laptop over here for a second. Can everybody see this? Hit the like button to make sure you can see this very clearly here. So basically, if you go to contests and you go to active contests, okay? And yes, it's worldwide. It doesn't matter where you live on the planet. You can do this, okay? Listen, so these companies right here create a brand identity logo for a group of companies. So not only do they pay you if you give them a company name, they pay you if you create a logo for them. And if you stay to the very end, I'll show you a place where you can kind of get somebody else to do the work for you, if you don't mind. It's kind of like tricky and it's kind of like sinister, but it works. Okay, so this company right here is going to pay $300 for the logo. So let's go down here. Let me take off some of these things. I was on here because I'm actually looking for someone to create a business name for me. So let me tell you what this site does. Big companies around the world, okay, they basically go to this website, squadhelp.com. Can you see that? And they ask people like you to give them business idea names for their companies, okay? See that? That's all they want you to do, okay? Some of these people want you to create a logo, and I'm going to show you how you can get someone else to do it for you and get paid the money. Okay, you see this right here? Naming, financial advisory firm name. So this company is willing to pay $135 right now. It's 2 days left. If you come up with a cool name, they're going to pay you. So what you do is you click on the link like this, okay? Now, how cool is that? You know, whoever said that ideas don't make money, they lied. They do make money, okay? Let me tell you why. You may say, well, Wesley, why would people post and ask people like me or you to give them names? Because the online business is saturated with so many different names. Like hundreds of new companies are created every single day on the computer, online, on the internet. So people just run out of ideas or they don't want to rack their brain with creating names. So this is where you come in. If you're a very creative person, which I know that you are, you can give them a cool name. And I know people that are 18 years old that's doing this. I know single moms that's doing this because they're creative people. So they give the people the names. Listen, now this is very important. You have to read through the descriptions here, okay? Because you have to cater to what they want, okay? Like this person right now is asking for, I think, a website type of name, okay? Does that make sense? You just read the description and then you submit it here. But make sure you read exactly what they want, okay? And right now, these people, there's 2 days left. That's $135. Let's look through some more here, okay? I know you guys saying, Wesley, I love you. How do you know all this? Well, because I spent 10 years failing in the internet marketing business. In the past 7 years, I made millions of dollars, but I've learned a lot over the years. So I'm giving you a shortcut so you don't have to be broke and poor for the rest of your life. Okay? I love you. Listen, trendy, catchy name of a health and fitness app. Who can't do this? They're going to pay you $200 look, listen. They're going to pay you $200 to lay in your bed, right? To lay in your bed, butt naked, and come up with company names. Now, if you watch to the very end, I'm gonna give you a cool, tricky way to get like a bunch of names generated, so you can kind of like win. You see right here, people are entering. They're submitting entries like crazy. It's not that hard, right? All you have to do is come up with names, and you can apply to all these different contests here. Look at that. They're gonna pay $200 there. Let's scroll down, okay? Look at this, $200. Catchy name for a e-commerce brand, okay? You click on it, remember? And you just scroll down. You have to review and accept their NDA. Look at that, whatever that NDA, whatever that is, right? Everybody with me so far? Yeah, the name of the domain is Squad Health. They're gonna pay you up to $300 like ASAP. And I'm gonna show you a ton of people that's making money from this website right now, like crazy, younger people, older people, people that are not techie, just people that are creative. If you're a creative person, there's no reason why you can't earn like $40,000 to $50,000 a year. And I'm gonna show you somebody that's doing it already, okay? And it's just like a side hustle. Listen, this is not meant to make you rich. It's not meant to make you famous, or it's not meant for you to buy a Lamborghini or a Rolls Royce. It's just meant for you to make some money, right? Make some money in your bed so you don't have to work a job any longer, okay? So that's a contest right now that you can jump in. And as you can see here, it is just hundreds of contests that you can get involved with right now and basically come up with ideas, come up with logos for these people. And I'm gonna show you a cool website to kind of give you a jump start just for it, just in case you're not creative, which I know that you are, okay? Now look at this. Let me show you the winners here, okay? Leaderboard. These are some of the people that are winning. Creative Apple. She's already made $3,700. Look at this person. This person has made $3,400 making money online just by submitting ideas and names, typing them. That's it. That's all this person is doing. Find that guy. Who is this guy, right? Look at this person made $16,000. Legenda. I know this person personally. This person is 25 years old, and they said, Wesley, I have no skills. I don't know what to do. And he was in one of my masterminds. And I said, why don't you go to this website and just give them ideas? And he said, well, they're going to pay me? I said, yep. And he's made 16 grand so far. And now he loves me, right? Just like you. So look at that. I mean, people are making money, just regular normal people. Jordan here made $71,000. Look at that, $71,000. People don't make that type of money making jobs. So how many of you are willing to do that? How many of you just can do that? Look at this. You can create logos, and I'm gonna show you a site where you can go to generate business names, okay? Now hit the like button since I'm making a contribution to you. Show me some love, right? Because I keep doing these videos. I've been doing them like almost every day. The more that you like and love these videos and keep watching more and taking action, making money, then I will create more easy ways to make money, okay? So let me show you a website here. Hold on. Yeah, you go to google.com. Look at this. Now this is powerful here. So you type in the word business. This is for everybody that doesn't, they're not creative. Here you go, but still want to make about $300 today. Business name generator, okay? Look at this. Oh, you can go to Fiverr, even Fiverr. So imagine paying $5 for somebody to do the work for you, okay? Let me go back here. Look at this. Business name generate. Look, find a business name. So you can basically say if it was a law firm, okay, like a gym. Let's say a gym. So we say fitness. And we want some ideas, right? Because maybe you're not so creative. See, and then what they do is they give you all these different ideas. Fitness Junkie, Straight Fitness, Royal Fitness, whatever. Right? Look at it. It's insane, right? You can use the internet to basically give you names and ideas so you can use for this site and just submit like crazy, right? Or maybe you're just a creative person, right? and you're able to do it. Now, understand, you need to be unique, you need to be cool, and you need to pay attention while you're making the money right now online to their criteria, okay? Now, how easy is that? I love Squad Help. I use them. So if you see one of my jobs on here, I have 2 companies that I'm creating, and I don't know the name for them. I have the product, but I just need a name. Maybe I'll contact this girl. She knows what she's doing. How many of you would like me to contact you so you can submit a name for me for one of my companies, and I'll pay you $300 straight up, right? I use this site quite a bit. I've never shared this before publicly, but I decided to do it for free because I just really care about people, and I want people to make money and understand that maybe you're not smart when it comes to the computer, or you're not technical. You just don't have a clue. Well, if you have an idea, you can just go here and you can submit your beautiful ideas, and these people will pay you thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars. As you can see, people right here are making money every single day. You know what the difference between them and you? Well, they just take action. They actually do it, right? I mean, it's young people, older people, seasoned people, short people, tall people, pretty people, ugly people, gorgeous people, intelligent people, academias. I mean, everybody. Everybody can do this. You can have 1 finger, 2 finger, as long as you got 1 finger. Okay, you can type a name on this website and win and make this money. Okay. You don't even need 5 fingers. Even you got toes, right? That's like who can do this, right? So listen, that's the video. If you believe that I deserve a like, a share, please sub to my channel. And if you want to work with me directly, this is what I do. Yes, I do have a paid service where I show brand new people, very newbies, by the way. If you're a newbie, you're my type of person here. And I show them basically how to take an idea, digitize it, put it online, and make millions of dollars, okay? I've did this several times. I'm to the point that it's just very easy for me to do it. Now, I challenge myself, and now I help people. I have about 1,000 people that are now earning 6 to 7 figures per year. Hey, you don't have to get it. I just want to put it out there. It's a link in the bio. Get it right now, or just keep watching these videos of free ways to do it until you make about 5 to 10,000 a month, which anybody can do as long as you take action now, right? And you're good to go. So hey, I'm done. Squad Help, check it out. If you think, listen, if you got massive value in this video, or maybe you like my teeth, right? You like my smile. If you like my smile, give me a like, give me a sub, and I will continue to create more videos for you. This is Wesley Virgin.